Here's my favorite technique for academic productivity: the next session startup method. At the end of each research session, take just 2 minutes to create a detailed entry plan for your next session. List the exact files, the references or analyses that you'll begin with. This eliminates that friction and decision fatigue that often leads to procrastination when you return to your work. Create a standard template with prompts like: number 1, first file to open. Number 2, the key question to address. Number 3, expected challenges. Or 4, resources needed. This technique improves continuity and momentum, particularly if you're working in fragmented time blocks. And the power of this technique comes from removing that activation energy required to start that complex intellectual tasks. So instead of spending 15 minutes reorientating yourself, you can dive straight back into this meaningful work. And because you know what you need to do, you are much less tempted to procrastinate. Try this technique tomorrow and let me know if it helps maintain your momentum.